right, kid. So you got a bigger jump to go. Both feet together. It's okay if you do a little bit of a turn, but if you can still stay oriented a little towards the front and make a bigger jump with a soft landing, you're going to jump your way through the rings. When you get to the last ring, then you're going to start running towards the first blue cone on the left. You don't got to reach down and touch it, but you want to make a quick cut and go to the other side. You're going to zigzag all the way to the orange cone at the top, and you're going to turn around and reverse your way through this whole thing. Yes. Yeah, making a good cut. So feel this out. Get through it once, all the way back to this point. Nice landings, soft knees, soft hips, both feet together. Right? Land soft, compress, that's it. Gotta go. Get through that hop, dude. Easy, bang, good. Take the rock. Pop, good. Land soft. Yeah, you gotta compress and you won't feel the physics moving forward. Good. Take off running, first blue cone, make a cut. Go. And cut. Come on, cut. Physics down, right on. Feel your heels lift up, and you need to compress more when you land on your heels a little bit. Come on. Pop. Good, rest. What'd you get there, man?
Oh, yesterday.
Ah, feeling the muscle in the quad?
Oh, holy shit.
From stretch shop or from?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's the only thing I did. Good God. Holy hell.
Wow. Good, yeah, as long as you're sore from here to here, I'm good.
Nothing?
Yeah, good. Nothing down there.
God, no.
Good.
Holy hell. Oh.
You did some good movement there.
No.
You rolled out something that...
Holy hell. Wow, do I feel that.
Woo.
Oh, nothing.
Good,
here.
that's good, baby.
Sorry.
Right on.
Shit.
You recover as much as you need to. You know what your job is now. You're trying to get through these hops without your heels lifting. Good work, baby. Land soft, girl. Well done. Bam. Way to go. And good. Take another break, baby, with third time's the charm on that drill. Keep it safe. Land strong. One more trip.